In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the symmetry feature in Photoshop CC. This is a really useful tool if you want to create perfectly mirrored artwork without having to manually copy or redraw each side yourself. It's especially helpful for things like faces, decorative patterns, logos, icons, and any design where balance matters. Once it's turned on, Photoshop mirrors your brushstrokes automatically, so the process feels fast, smooth, and very natural. To get started, make sure you select either the brush tool or the eraser tool. This is important because the symmetry option only appears when one of those two tools is active. If you don't see the option at first, this is usually the reason, so it's always a good first thing to check. Once you have the brush tool or the eraser tool selected, go up to the options bar at the top of Photoshop and click the butterfly icon, which is the symmetry icon. This opens a list of symmetry types that you can use. Photoshop gives you several different options, depending on the kind of mirrored effect you want to create. For this example, choose vertical symmetry. This is one of the most common choices because it mirrors your drawing from left to right, which makes it perfect for balanced designs like faces or centered graphics. As soon as you select it, Photoshop will place a symmetry guide in the center of your canvas. At this point, you can position the guide wherever you want before confirming it. This gives you a little flexibility, which is helpful if your design needs to be centered in a specific area, rather than exactly in the middle of the canvas. Take a moment to place it where it makes the most sense for your artwork, and then confirm the guide. Now you can start drawing. As you draw on one side, Photoshop will instantly mirror your brushstrokes on the opposite side in real time. This is where the feature really becomes fun to use, because you can focus on drawing naturally while Photoshop handles the symmetry for you. A simple way to test it is by sketching a smiling face. As you draw, you'll notice that both sides stay perfectly symmetrical, which makes it much easier to create a clean and balanced result. You can also experiment with the other symmetry options to create different effects for your artwork. Each one can give your design a different look and feel, depending on what you're making. That's all there is to it. The symmetry feature in Photoshop CC is a quick and easy way to create polished, professional-looking designs while saving time and effort.